Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from the KOT4X step by step. Let's get started. First, sign in with your KOT4X account, and once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. And from the dashboard, you have the two ways to access the withdrawals. You can click the withdraw button in the middle of the screen or click the withdraw option on the left-hand menu. The both options will take you to the same withdrawal page. And before that you can withdraw, your account must be verified. If you're already requesting a withdrawal, your account is most likely verified already. Now, under the withdraw type, select your preferred withdrawal method from the list provided. Once you've chosen with the withdrawal method, simply click Request Withdrawal. And that's it. Your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. The KOT4X notes that the withdrawals may take several hours to complete, and you'll receive updates about your withdrawal status via email. If you want to track your withdrawals, you can view the withdrawal history, including the withdrawal method, status, and previous transaction, and that's how you can withdraw money from the KOT4X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.